Your skin is speaking to you right now, and I think you've been listening. Maybe it's red, maybe it's tender, maybe you woke up this morning and just wanted it to feel calm again. You're in the right place. Today we're going to do something gentle, something healing. Just you, your skin, and a little bit of care. No harsh scrubs, no burning treatments. Just a ritual that meets your skin exactly where it is. Think of what we're doing today as a ritual, not a race, not a fix-it-quick. A ritual. We're going to cleanse away the day's tension, soothe the inflammation, and restore a little bit of balance. Every step is intentional. Every product is chosen to be kind to inflamed, sensitive, acne-prone skin. And in about 10 minutes, your skin is going to feel completely different, calmer, softer, like it's breathing again. Step-by-step routine. Your skin is speaking to you right now, and I think you've been listening. Maybe it's red, maybe it's tender, maybe you woke up this morning and just wanted it to feel calm again. You're in the right place. Today, we're going to do something gentle, something healing. Just you, your skin, and a little bit of care. No harsh scrubs, no burning treatments. Just a ritual that meets your skin exactly where it is. Ritual intro. Think of what we're doing today as a ritual, not a race, not a fix-it-quick. A ritual. We're going to cleanse away the day's tension, soothe the inflammation, and restore a little bit of balance. Every step is intentional. Every product is chosen to be kind to inflamed, sensitive, acne-prone skin. And in about 10 minutes, your skin is going to feel completely different. Calmer, softer, like it's breathing again. 3 step-by-step routine. The double cleanse. Melting the day away. Start with a gentle cleansing oil. Just a few drops, right here in the palm of your hand. Warm it between your fingers first. Feel it become almost weightless. Now, with the softest possible touch, work it across your skin in small, slow circles. No pulling. No pressure. What you're doing right now, you're dissolving sunscreen, excess oil, and all the buildup sitting on the surface of your skin. Now, wet your fingertips just slightly and emulsify. Watch how the oil turns milky white. Rinse. Slowly. Let the water be warm, not hot. Never hot on inflamed skin. Step 2. The second cleanse. Gentle foam purification. Now just a small amount of your gel or foam cleanser. Look for salicylic acid or centella. Both are beautifully soothing for acne-prone skin. Work it into a soft lather in your hands first. Let it go airy and light. Then, press it onto your skin. Don't rub, just press. And glide. Like you're lifting a layer of tension right off your face. Rinse completely. Pod. Never rub. With a clean, soft towel. Step 3. The treatment, calm the inflammation. This is where the real healing begins. Your skin is clean now. Open. Ready to receive. Pick up your treatment serum, niacinamide, azelaic acid, or a centella-based formula work beautifully here. Just a few drops. Press them into your skin with the flat of your fingers. Don't rub it in. Let it sink. Watch it disappear into the skin. That's the treatment getting to work. Quieting the redness, calming the irritation, gently helping your skin regulate itself. Step 4 spot treatment. Targeted, intentional care. If you have any active spots, this is their moment. With a clean cotton swab, or just your pinky finger, apply just a tiny touch of your spot treatment directly on top of each blemish. Benzoyl peroxide, sulfur, or a patch, all excellent. Keep it precise. Less is more. Step 5 moisturize. Seal in the calm. This step is non-negotiable. Even if your skin feels oily, even if it feels fine, moisturizer is not optional on acne-prone skin. Use something lightweight and non-comedogenic, a gel cream, something that sits on the skin like a whisper. Press it in with both hands. Cheeks, forehead, chin, nose. Hold for just a moment. Let it melt in. Look at that, already softer, already more at peace. For visual and ASMR enhancement cues oil. Melting slow macro shot of cleansing oil dissolving makeup. 8 to 10 sec hold. Foam texture. Close-up of foam being built between palms. Airy. Cloud-like. Satisfying. Water trickling. Warm water running over clean skin. Let the sound carry. Steam rising. Warm towel or basin steam. Soft atmospheric visual between steps. Serum absorption. Macro skin texture as serum sinks in. 6 sec minimum pause. Product dropper. Slow dropper falling into palm. 1 satisfying drop. Final skin reveal. Gentle golden hour light on clean calm face. 5 sec hold. 5 safety and trust layer. Always patch test new products. Apply to your inner wrist for 24 hours before using on your face. If you have sensitive or dry skin, skip the salicylic cleanser and go for something fragrance-free and barrier-focused. Don't use more than 1 active treatment at a time. More is not more. It's just more irritation. If you experience persistent cystic acne or severe breakouts, please see a dermatologist. This routine is for gentle, daily support, not a medical treatment. 6 Aftercare Plus. Next day tip. When morning comes, your skin needs one more thing before it faces the world. Sunscreen. Non-negotiable. Many acne treatments increase photosensitivity, and UV exposure can worsen post-acne marks significantly. Go for an SPF 30 or above. Mineral-based if your skin is sensitive. Lightweight and non-comedogenic, always. Apply it like the last layer of armor, the quiet guardian of everything you just did last night. And in the morning, keep it simple. A gentle rinse, your moisturizer, your SPF. Let your skin breathe. 7 Troubleshooting. Now, I want to talk to you about something that might happen in the first week or two. Purging. You might notice a small flare-up when you start using actives like salicylic acid. This is normal. Your skin is pushing impurities out from deeper layers. It usually passes within 2-3 weeks. Stick with it. Gently. Irritation or redness. If a product stings, burns, or leaves your skin visibly red, discontinue it immediately. That's not purging. That's a reaction. Go back to basics. Cleanser, moisturizer, SPF. Nothing else until your skin calms down. Over-exfoliation. If your skin feels tight, shiny in an unhealthy way, or stings when water touches it, you're doing too much. Step away from actives for 3-5 days. Just cleanse and moisturize. Let your barrier recover. 8 Lifestyle habits. Your routine doesn't end with skincare. These small habits make a big difference.